Everybody is looking for happiness, but what if the key is right in front of you? It's all about appreciation. Think about the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, or the way a puppy nuzzles up to you. These small moments can bring so much joy. When you start appreciating what you have, your family, your pets, the beauty of nature, something magical happens. You begin to see more good around you. That morning coffee tastes a little better, and your daily walk feels like an adventure. Appreciation isn't about settling for less, it's about recognizing the value in what you already have. And guess what? The more you appreciate, the more life gives you to appreciate. So, take a moment today, look around, feel the gratitude. The better things in life are right there, waiting for you to notice them.